Yo, what up, squad? It's your boy C's from theseasonlife.com, and I got a pretty good discussion for today. So, one of the questions that I posed to myself prior to me officially starting my journey, because I say officially because oftentimes I would start and stop something. But this one question that I posed to myself keeps me going every single day. And that question is, do you know who you are? Now, it might be like, yeah, I'm Caesar, I'm from Brooklyn, New York, born to my Haitian mom and my Haitian dad. But it goes much deeper than that because that is the shell identity, right? That is the person that I was told who I am. I didn't tell myself that, right? I was told through my environment, through my friends, through my family, who exactly I am. I didn't get to, contribute to who I am. So this journey that I'm on in self-discovery and knowing and finding out who is this person, who is this person within my physical body, right? And every single day and every action that I do, I always ask myself this question, like, who are you? So it's within my meditation practices when I ask myself that question. And the funny thing is, when you ask yourself questions over and over again, you're going to get different answers because you're constantly evolving. You're constantly creating. So the person that you are, the person that I sit in front of you or in front of the camera today might be light years behind who I aspire to be, right? So it's the constant journey of evolving and becoming, right? So every single day I ask myself this question, and I pose the same question to you. Who are you? Not your shell identity. Who is that core within you? Who is that dragon slayer that lies beneath, within? And away from all of your sensory factors, basically. So it's like away from all the things that you can see, hear, taste, touch, like away from all of that. Who is that spiritual being within you, that lies within you? And this is a discussion that I want to continue for the rest of my life, and then also help others have that same discussion within themselves, because within you lies that seed of progress, that aspires for more life. So by you answering that question or in search of it, right? A good book to read is Man's Search for Meaning, or Man Searches for Himself, or What to Say When You're Talking to Yourself. Like, these are the crucial conversations that you got to have with yourself every single day. It doesn't just like, oh, I'm going to just ask myself this question, whatever answer I come up with, I'll just live with it. No, you have to constantly reevaluate because you're constantly in search of the meaning of your life, your purpose. Like, what are you physically here for, right? And it's to nurture that spiritual side of yourself constantly. I'm not a religious person. I'm not a scientist. I am just a soul in search of answers. And every time I ask myself this question through meditation and through mindfulness, I get answers. And you want to ask yourself the right set of questions, not just like, how can I become, is the question that you want to ask, right? You want to be like, how do I evolve, or what is the meaning of my life? And go in search of those answers. Because as you answer that for yourself, you come in contact with others who are in search of the same thing. And by you evolving yourself, you'll be able to help evolve others. And we are here to create, and we are here to help inspire in others to do the same, so that we lift each other up with a collective consciousness, right? Because the collective consciousness, depending on what part of the world you live in, you're stuck in a paradigm, and your paradigm basically controls your behaviors. Now, if you're seeing average results, your paradigm is in the midst of the average unconscious, basically. So you want to start your journey. It starts today, or it starts right now in this moment. You know, if you come across this video, then you're basically the person that I'm coming in contact with to help bring that answer out of you, right? For the benefit of you and those in your surroundings. It's it's just a awesome journey to be a part of, because it's never ending. And that's the whole mission of Project X, is like, it's undefined, is limitless, right? Your project is to discover this X part of your being, like this infinite, limitless part of your being, right? So I hope that those of you who come in contact with this video join me on this journey, because there's so much potential that we can do by us being a part of this new unconscious and this new movement of personal growth and helping others explore the same thing, because all of your answers lies within this journey. It doesn't lie in your physical reality. It lies in the journey to discovery of yourself. Anyway, thank you for your time. I'm going to end this video here because I got some more discovering to do. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, holla at your boy. Peace.